Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I am Adeline. Have you bought before a sewing machine and found that you cannot use it? This could be due to a couple of reasons. One of the reasons could be the voltage difference in the country you are staying and the sewing machine. So, how shall you resolve it? There is two methods. First method, you can use a voltage regulator, which I'm going to show you in my next slide. Second, you can buy a sewing machine with varying voltages from 100 volt to 230 or 240 volt. I personally had wrote to Singer and asked them for sewing machine with different voltages ranging, and they had replied me. I'm going to list it to you, the voltage reference, in my next few slides. Don't worry, you will be alright. Hi guys, this is the voltage regulator that I'm going to show you. So this is one of the ways that you can resolve it. But this voltage regulator, there is different watt. It also needs to depend on the device that you are using the watt. Take a look. Hi guys, this is the sewing machine that I have bought with different voltage. How do you check the sewing machine whether it got different voltage? Just turn the sewing machine at the bottom and you can see all the things below. The description is written below. Easy?